Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to share a story link from a highlight to a group on Instagram. Whether you want to share a memorable moment or an important update, this process is straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features you need. Next, navigate to the profile that contains the story you want to share. You can do this by either searching for their username or finding them in your following list. Once you're on their profile, scroll down just a bit. Under their bio, look for the section that showcases their highlights. This is where users save their favorite stories for others to view later. Tap on the highlight that contains the story you wish to share. Now that you've opened the highlight, find the specific story you want to share. When you see it, look for the share icon. It typically looks like a paper airplane. Click on this icon to proceed. After tapping the share icon, select Copy Link from the options that appear. This action saves the link to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever you need it. Now, it's time to head back to your Messages section. Find the group chat where you want to share this link. You can do this by tapping on the Messages icon at the top right of your screen and selecting the appropriate group from your list of conversations. Once you're in the group chat, simply paste the link into the message input area. You can do this by tapping and holding in the text box until you see the paste option appear. Click on it to insert your copied link. Finally, hit send. Your friends in the group will now have access to that story link from the highlight, allowing them to view it directly. And there you have it. Sharing a story link from highlights to a group on Instagram is as simple as following these steps. Enjoy connecting and sharing those special moments with your friends.